Let's make a vegan brunch. Okay, don't fight me, but I am not a fan of pumpkin spice. Everything is pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. I'm gonna attempt to make a sweet potato pie latte. I've never done this before. We're trying this for the first time together, but I have faith in myself after watching a couple videos that it can't be that hard. I already made a cute little pot of coffee. It's still hot. I have organic French roast, but if you're not a coffee drinker, Ticino's French roast is also really, really good. Y'all hear me talk about it all the time. A lot simpler than I thought it was gonna be. I have some organic sweet potato puree. I'm gonna use this sweet potato puree for the cinnamon coffee crumb cake that I'm making as well. I've got So Delicious coconut milk holiday nog. Nutmeg, cinnamon, cloves, all the flavors that you want to hear. So in a blender, I'm gonna mix up organic sweet potato puree, some of the holiday nog, and then I'm gonna put some pumpkin pie spice on here. I know what you're thinking. I thought you said you don't like pumpkin. Listen, it's the same spices that you would put in a sweet potato pie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop this in the microwave just to warm it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna froth it. Froth it a little bit, add in my coffee, honey. I don't think I frothed it enough for it to give latte vibes. It's giving, I made some homemade sweet potato pie flavored creamer. Oh, that's good. That's good. I'm gonna save this. I'll be drinking this for the rest of the week. Obviously, I need something to go along with it. You know, a little sweet, a little savory. So I'm not gonna let this sweet potato puree go to waste. And I'm gonna put it in a sweet potato pie cinnamon crumb coffee cake. Yay! We're making it from the package today because, listen, boom. Obviously we're not using eggs. Sometimes in vegan recipes I will use applesauce, but today we're gonna use the sweet potato puree to replace the egg. And I'm gonna use half a cup. And this will just hold it all together. That was easy. Pour half of it into the Pyrex. Don't judge mine. Mine is well loved because she's well used, okay? Then that cinnamon crumbly deliciousness, put a layer of it and then put the other layer on top and then layer it. Trust me, it tastes better when you do that. You've tried tofu before and you're like, I don't know girl, the texture's kind of weird. It's getting kind of squishy. Try extra firm, super firm, like the firmest tofu you can get. Drain all the liquid out of it. I don't have a tofu press, so I'm just gonna use paper towels today. Stick it in between and just press more liquid out. Something like that. I'm gonna just put it to the side to let it dry out a little bit more. It's about 1/4 of a shallot, a little bit of green bell pepper, and a little bit of red bell pepper. About that much. And then along with that, I'm gonna chop up a couple of these field roast, apple and maple, plant-based breakfast sausages. I like these. I think they taste really good with breakfast things. I throw all those veggies and the sausage in the pan and let those cook a little bit before I throw in the tofu. And the tofu that's been dried out, you can kind of already see it already has kind of like a scramble type of texture since I pressed all the water out of it. You know we gotta season it. Salt, black pepper, Cajun seasoning. Turmeric, it just adds a nice little color to it. Nutritional yeast, the big side. You see the color that the turmeric is giving it? Look at that. That sweet potato pie crumb cake is not done in the oven yet, but I gotta taste this because I already know. It's good. Little apple sausages, bust it. Make me wanna. Ooh. I could have been a lot more cute about this, but you get the drill. Oh my God. That middle, remember when I layered it? That layer of cinnamon in the middle combined with the sweet potato flavor is almost like, it's almost like caramel. Oh my God. That is almost sexual. I am so happy that I did this today. You wanna play?